If you are using the free version of DaVinci Resolve and wondering whether the studio version is actually worth paying for, this video is for you. I'm not comparing Resolve to Premiere or any other apps. I'm not saying you need Studio. I personally have used a free version for more than a year without any issues. I will show you 10 concrete features that exist only in DaVinci Resolve Studio and why they can dramatically improve or speed up your workflow once you start using them. I will also share with you a life hack on how to save some money when buying DaVinci Resolve Studio, because Blackmagic doesn't really give any promo codes, so make sure you watch the whole video. My name is Stan. I'm a videographer, a content creator, and also a software engineer. And because of that, I tend to evaluate gear and software a bit differently, not just by how cool a feature looks, but also how much it gives you. In this video, I will quickly go through 10 studio-only features without going too deep into each. Then, for most of these features, I will release separate dedicated video tutorials, where I will show exactly how to use them in real workflows. So if you want those, make sure you are subscribed. Feature 1. Noise reduction. Studio gives you temporal and spatial noise reduction, and this alone is enough reason for many people to upgrade. You can rescue high ISO footage, night shots, or underexposed clips in a way that simply isn't possible in the free version. As a bonus, you can get slightly smaller video files, because the noise is also video data which gets deleted. In the free version, your main option is to avoid noise. Exposure carefully, add light, or just live with it. Feature 2. Magic Mask. It lets you isolate people, faces, objects, or even body parts automatically without rotoscoping and manual masks. Just drag and go. This completely changes how fast you can go background separation, skin work, or stylized looks. In the free version, isolating a subject means manual power windows and tracking, and then minutes and hours on frame-by-frame fixes, because usually tracking in free version doesn't go as expected. Feature 3. Speed Warp, or better known AI Optical Flow. Studio unlocks Speed Warp, which gives you much higher quality slow motion and retiming. Fewer artifacts, smoother motion, especially noticeable on real-world footage, not demos. In the free version, retiming relies on basic optical flow, which sometimes create warping artifacts or jitters. Feature 4. Smart Audio Extension. In DaVinci Resolve Studio, there is the AI music editor that lets you extend a music track to any length you want. Resolve analyzes the structure of the track and generates a seamless continuation without noticeable loops or cuts. I use it a lot for background tracks in my YouTube videos, even in this one. Feature 5. Automatic Subtitles. In the free version, subtitles are either fully manual or require exporting your audio to a third-party service, getting text from there, and then bringing everything back to Resolve. Studio can automatically transcribe speech and generate subtitles directly on the timeline in just few clicks. For YouTube, interviews, or social media, this easily saves 1 to 2 hours per video. Now, let's talk about the way to save some money when buying DaVinci Resolve Studio. As I mentioned, Blackmagic doesn't really create any promo code which you can use during checkout. I've heard they can do it once in a year, just for a couple of hours. So, it's not our method. Instead, there is a nice life hack which is not well known. Blackmagic sells their hardware products along with the Studio license key. The cheapest hardware you can get from them is Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor. It costs around $475. Then you can sell this keyboard on eBay for $250–300 and keep the license with you. So given that the studio license standalone costs around $325, you will save around $100. Nice deal, right? Feature 6. Video clean feed or dual monitor workflow. In the free version, your viewer, scopes and controls all compete for the same screen space, which usually requires zooming your preview in and out a lot. With Studio, you can display a full-screen video feed on a second monitor while keeping main window unchanged on the main screen. It's very handy, especially for the color tab. Feature 7. Beat detection. Studio can automatically detect audio beats and place markers on your timeline. In the free version, this usually means listening, scrubbing and adding markers manually. If you edit music-driven videos, this is a powerful workflow update that helps you cut faster. Feature 8. Voice replacement. It lets you modify or replace spoken audio using AI.
This can be useful when you need to fix small mistakes, change phrasing, or adapt voiceover witut re-encoding the entire take. It's not always perfect, and not for every use case.
But for corrections, localization, or experiments, it's impressive. Studio includes AI tools like Relight and depth-based adjustments. You can change lighting direction or isolate subjects using depth maps, things that were previously impossible without reshoots. Feature 10. Haze effect. In the free version, adding atmospheric haze usually means stacking gradients, power windows, or external plugins to fake depth. DaVinci Resolve Studio includes a haze effect that adds a realistic atmospheric depth directly in the timeline, with proper fall-off and distance control. This is especially useful for cinematic shots, landscapes, or product videos, and it lets you achieve the look in seconds instead of manual setup. So, to summarize, you don't need DaVinci Resolve Studio to edit professionally. But if you value time, automation, and smoother workflows, Studio makes a real difference. I will be releasing separate videos covering many of these features in detail within real projects and examples. Subscribe if you don't want to miss those, and let me know in the comments which one you want me to cover first.